So in this video, I'm going to attempt to earn $100 a day with this very side hustle that I have absolutely no experience doing. It's been a while since I last made a video like this, but I figured that it's finally time to get back to our old roots of starting out side hustles on this channel again. I've been trying out side hustles and documenting the entire journey on this YouTube channel since last year, like selling custom G-Shock watches, monetizing my YouTube channel, and even making money from TikTok Shop. Hopefully at the end of this video, you'll be able to learn more about the side hustle, my plan to monetize it, and hopefully this will inspire you to do something fun and productive in your life too. This is where I got the $1 million inspiration from. Lately, I recently chanced upon this TikToker by the name of Alex on a budget. So she was sharing her inspirational journey on how she was paying off her debt and tracking her personal finances online very openly, very similar to what I do on my YouTube channel. So this was the interesting part because she was very transparent with her finances all the way down to the dollars. I don't know whether to cents, but to dollars and thousands and stuff like that, and she's very in depth on it. And of course, if you're a long time follower of my channel, you will know that I review my expenses and income very openly every single month as well. That's how she first caught my attention and immediately drawn to her because I was somebody who's doing the same things. So I find her content very authentic and engaging. So I continue to just binge watch her videos, whenever I'm on the verge of waking up and then I'm holding my phone, I'm using my TikTok and I'm just like scrolling and her videos sort of pop up and I just binge watch her videos. And it was until one video that I saw that she broke down exactly how much money she made from TikTok. So apparently she made $76,000 from TikTok. But this is the interesting part. This is the breakdown. $50,000 or more was made from selling her digital products. 20+% was from the TikTok creativity program because she's based in the US, and maybe around 10% or so was from sponsorships. I think I kind of messed up the percentage-wise, but like a very big amount is from the digital products. So she's selling both a debt tracker and a budgeting spreadsheet, and she just included this digital product in her videos as she was revealing her monthly expenses and just doing her normal TikTok videos. You don't see her like pushing and selling all these budgeting spreadsheets and everything like that. She never does any of these things. She just sort of subtly includes them into her videos. I'm sure she uses them as well, I'm sure she wants people to buy them, but she also uses it for herself. So using it as an example, people actually learn from it and people want to purchase it as well. Well, there's nothing too crazy. A spreadsheet is something relatively easy. You can create one yourself, Googling or YouTubing, and you can find a video to really create your own budgeting spreadsheet with just a couple of minutes. So this really excited and inspired me because I've been documenting my expenses and spending very diligently for the last 6 months on my YouTube channel. So would it be a no-brainer to just also create a budgeting spreadsheet or net worth tracker for my own channel and create this sort of like crazy combination to both earn more money and help more people at the same time? So the goal of hitting $100 a day with this side hustle would be also to earn around $3,000 a month, which would be a super awesome income to supplement my day job. So why I wanted to also do this was because it's going to be something that I can control with regards to the sales, the prices, and also most importantly, I can review the exact numbers to you guys online on the YouTube channel or in my TikTok videos. So I've started my YouTube channel in hopes of creating alternate sources of income, but I soon realized that AdSense wasn't paying much. Affiliate marketing and sponsors were coming in a little bit more, but there was just one problem. They're not numbers that I can reveal openly to you guys and just say to you guys on the camera, hey, this is how much I'm earning. I'm earning 1,000 from this, I'm earning 500 from that, all these kind of things. I can't just do that because I guess the sponsors and the all the people that I'm working with, they don't want to reveal the numbers to the public and they're not too comfortable with that. So to circumvent all of this, I'm just going to use this side hustle of creating and selling this digital product and fully owning something that I can openly share right here on this channel itself. So now we move on to the master plan of trying to create this entire digital product. So there's a couple of steps right now. The idea generation part is more or less being done, which is a kind of copying what idea that Alex had. Yeah, so there's not much on my part. I just had to view the videos, had to see how the spreadsheet is being done, and then go ahead doing it. And the second part will be the product creation, which is creating the digital product itself. So the good news is that I already have this very consistent habit of tracking my own expenses, my emergency funds, travel fund, income, and every single month. So the plan will be to create a budgeting spreadsheet that I myself will love and use every single month so that I'm excited to do it as well. So I have no idea why it took me so long to do this in the first place. Wasn't it just obvious that I should have started this a very long time ago? But funny how sometimes I think I'm so smart, but sometimes I just have to admit that I'm actually quite slow and dumb as well. Then comes the next problem. I have this brilliant idea, but I have no idea how to start this. But fear not, I have friends. So I'm going to call Demi Zhuang really quickly and ask her, how should I do this?
First price that you think?
The first number that came to me was $25 actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Although the reason for that was like, if I sell 4 that, I reach $100 already. So then it's like $100 for a day sounds good already.
It's like an even number, is it?
Yeah. Like then it sounds and looks really good, and that's about it. Do you think this mini project of mine will succeed or fail?
Wow. I always would like to believe that it will be successful, but I'm pessimistic by nature.
What kind of answer is that? So is that yes or no?
I think like with everything I've taken on in life is that don't have expectations.
Okay, so expect it to fail
Just
first.
try.
If it succeeds, bonus lah.
It's just try. Yeah.
Okay. Let's do a fun bet then. How much do you think I'll be able to make with this product in 3 months? 3 months.
Okay. $25 per sale.
Let's take it as $25 for now.
So I'm thinking you sell 5 copies a month. That would be 125 times 3 is 325. I think. Yeah, 375. Sorry.
Okay.
375. My math's failing.
Okay, around 400 So 400.
Okay.
400 in 3 months. Okay. Let's see if we break that number.
Sounds good.
Okay. Don't have any more questions. Oh, that's it. Thank you.
Launch it.
Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Yes, see
I'll
you
see you
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay, see you.
Bye.
Bye. After that call from Demi, I decided to also purchase Alex's budgeting template and have a quick look inside for some inspiration. So additionally, I also went to watch some YouTube videos on how to create this budgeting template on Google Sheets because I'm a total noob at this. This is how it currently looks like right now with the rough skeleton and all the different categories and stuff. This is important. If I'm missing anything in this spreadsheet right now and you want to let me know how it can be better for you guys, put it down in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to incorporate it for you guys. So since the entire idea generation is done, product creation is on the way as well. Really slow because I keep procrastinating, but it's coming along swimmingly. Next will be the execution plan on how I intend to sell this digital product. So the majority of the reason for Alexa's success is because I feel that her videos kind of went viral on TikTok. You know, she has around 200,000 followers and she has about 50 to 100k sort of reach from each of her videos, which is the reason why it sells so well every single month. It really helped push a lot of people onto her profile page, which led to a lot of conversions for the digital product. Honestly speaking, I recently also saw a lot of traffic from my TikTok channel, even more so than my YouTube channel. A couple of TikToks I posted a few weeks ago was able to garner around 90,000 views in just 1 or 2 weeks, which is absolutely insane. That is something that's not possible on YouTube because it's so freaking frustrating because I'm spending more time and money on YouTube, but yet TikTok is doing better. I'm spending around $500 to $700 per month on YouTube, but I'm only having around 1.8k subscribers on YouTube, but I've just recently crossed 2.3k followers on TikTok, which just shows that TikTok is able to garner more views and garner more traffic at this point in time. So perhaps using TikTok to drive the traffic and to convert people into buying the digital product might be a smarter choice in that sense. But it's okay. I'm a big enough man, like what Ollie always says on the Jolly YouTube channel, to admit when I'm wrong. So in fact, I'm a huge man, and because of that, I'm going to use mostly TikTok videos to showcase this product and drive the conversions every single month. I will of course also feature this product in my monthly expenses and income videos so that it gets as much exposure from there as well on my YouTube channel. So if you see that I'm not posting on YouTube as much, it's because I'm working on this digital product for myself and you guys as well. One thing that I'm also sort of thinking about is the idea of having pre-orders. Perhaps I can do a discount for people who want to do pre-orders as a thank you to them for supporting the channel and hopefully to reinforce this good habit of budgeting in their lives as well. I believe in this thing very strongly where if something is paid, you tend to put a little bit more impact, a little bit more value onto it compared to if I just gave to you guys this budgeting spreadsheet for free. You won't really treasure it as much and you might not even have the motivation or the inertia to start doing this thing. So that's why I want to make it as something that's paid, but to reinforce this good habit on people as well. And also to reward myself for creating this budgeting spreadsheet and make it as nice as possible for you guys. Pricing is also something that I'm thinking about a little bit more. Demi sells hers for $18, Alex sells hers for just $7 I believe. I actually want to sell it for around $25 because I need to sell just 4 a day and I'll just hit that awesome $100 a day goal that we set for this video itself. But we'll see. I'll ponder about this a little bit more before I finally set the price. I'll probably be documenting this journey a bit more on TikTok and through YouTube Shorts because it's just a lot easier that way and I can churn out more content without spending too much time doing it. It's exciting to finally do another side hustle that can potentially be fun and bring in more income that I can share with you guys as well. Hopefully this inspires you to do something fun and creative in your life as well. If you enjoyed this video here, then you'll probably enjoy this video here on on how to invest as a beginner on the Momo Singapore app. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next few videos. Bye bye.